Okay, hey guys, and today we'll be making, we will just, wait,
Just like
because
say, oh, I'm eating, and then go silent.
unluckily, we had to delete is it double the shop open?
Archie, where are you?
Because I checked earlier and the shop was not working, no matter what, so, yeah.
We should play.
Alright, press the video, and we're just gonna be improving this. Anyway. So start by changing. Okay. Just still keep this just in case.
How about like more than double your level? Try. I'm not playing YouTuber Tycoon 3, bro. What is this?
What the he?
You know, I'll try it. I'll try it. I'll try it.
Yeah.
Why is it YouTuber 3 Tycoon? YouTuber Tycoon 3.
15 because that worked pretty well.
Apollo, ready up. First triangle. Right now.
Z? No, can you still see it?
Apollo.
And let's just
I mean the hula.
do 20. Just do 20. Right, 20.
Exactly. Like you'll be going for like 90% of the entire time.
Yep, that looks a lot
The
smooth.
second
So boom.
that we kick you like what? Say the whole time.
What the hell?
Oh yeah,
Okay.
guys.
The bullet is affected because once the thing's affected. What? Was it affected? Affected. What?
Abdullah, did you ready up?
I think why? I know why. Wait.
Do you have training every like Tuesday? Every Tuesday.
Wait. Set gun speed to.
That what is it? Charlie D or Charlie G or something? I don't know. Charlie G, the one that plays for like the Southeast Eagles. How the hell did you get in?
Yeah. So yeah. It's not moving.
I'm a better goalkeeper than Charlie G, bro. Like some people they could save shots, right? But they can't put them in kick a ball. What?
You know what?
Yeah,
We're gonna do
why would a car?
this, but I can't.
I don't know. Whose driving is that? Welcome to your house, become the biggest YouTuber.
No. Come on. And add one.
God said he's balling.
If.
I got the most
Yeah.
money. I got 21 money. Wait.
They not okay. Yeah. Okay, so we are going to try something. You know this Hank? So what I'm gonna do? You know the zombies,
Now I got
right?
114 money.
Right, we need to actually.
Well,
Like, so like, you know this bit? We're going to change it.
Archie, you should be ready for that though.
So you should do this. Yeah. Yeah. Set to set. What am I doing? 75, and then.
Well, Archie, you got clipped.
What the hell? What is this guy?
What's up, Abdullah? My kicks were good. I don't know why it just sounds so off to me. My kicks were good.
Yeah. At the start, I'm just. It's kind of windy. So the shop isn't working. I posted a video, but let's try one. Actually, no, we're not going to try one last time. But we're also going to do a turbo mode. Actually, no.
I have 51
so-
subs.
So, like,
Oh, you have to get a computer for the PC shop.
so basically,
Yeah.
so like basically, what I want to do.
Yeah, that's
You
like,
know the zombie
yeah.
sprite? I want to actually upgrade that.
It's in a manhunt. Oh,
And make it a bit
blood
more.
running.
It's a design that I've used for a long time. So this is a design that I haven't used for a long time.
Oh,
No.
I have a hammer. Look.
Don't be awesome. So so just do shift and do that. And yeah. And yeah. It's just gonna be.
I'm gonna go get a new PC. What is this?
Also forgot that. Make sure
I didn't have to eat anything big.
little little strap. Just like little strap.
I'm pretty sure you guys call it something different, but it's Adas.
Yo.
I think I told you about it once and called it like Adas.
And then just put it on
It's
this
like,
side.
well, it's like this yellow
Yeah.
saucy stuff, and we put it with bread, and it's really nice.
Yeah. That's pretty much the design. Yeah.
Oh no,
Okay.
Full is a different thing. Full is a different thing. Wait, yeah? I'll be back. Yeah?
It's we might do it in the speed. Let's make a HP bar. For now, we are going to do if touching thing, zombie, stop all, and broadcast a message. Broadcast a message called game is over. Game is over. We just do that. Yeah. Okay. New game over screen.
No, I left for 1 second and it's all ahead of me.
Yeah.
I left for 1 second and it's all ahead of me.
Yeah. So basically, also, let me eat something. Sorry. My ice cream.
What am I going to use the jetpack for?
Yeah, what the hell? Okay.
Bro, I'm fucking flying.
Wait, what? And just. Oh, Ahmed, do you even like this sweets?
Yeah, it is. Do you like it?
That's your way.
Huh?
If you're cool.
Uh, I haven't checked my thing for a while, so I'll check what you got 13 pin.
Black. 2, 3, stop.
How do you get so much money from your thing? Bro, mine is so much more upgraded than yours. It's actually like crazy. I've got a flipping ancient tree. I don't know. Someone just donated 500 to me.
Um,
How many droppers do you have? I have 3. Wait, you can dance for subs? What?
and I think we should do when the green flag is clicked. When the game is over, stop every single thing.
Abdullah, how do I stop?
Well, yeah, we don't need to do that because
Confused because my place is like so much more upgraded than any of yours.
then if we get
I'm
touched,
still at the bottom.
game over. I need to restart. This is gonna be.
Exactly. Is it the chat? Is it the
Super
game?
annoying.
What?
Bro. I have a thing.
Oh, yes.
Where
Upgrade your arse.
so we're gonna make a new variable called that. When we do this, that equals 2. And that equals. And yeah. And that equals 2.
Oh,
Change that sign. Huh? So then
is that how you're getting so much?
set to 0. So if it gets touched, 1, 2.
5 pence.
Oh wait. Okay.
Yeah.
So
You have to buy the ancient tree.
that one I see.
Yeah, go up the zip line.
No.
Ah,
1.
how the hell are you guys getting so much so quick?
So 0.2. And just do it in a for loop. Where so basically you're just gonna put when I receive start game. There. And start game. Okay, that is the end of the tutorial. Hope you
How
guys
many
have a great day.
views do you guys have?
Have a great day. Yeah. So bye. Bye guys.
I've got 36k.
And in the next part
Abdullah's gaining like 1,000 a second, 1,000 subs.
we will work on the game over screen.
How?
Bye. And bye. Have a good day.